Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials: your VPN account, server address, and credentials. Do this now so you don't interrupt the flow. Next, install the official client or enable the operating system's built-in VPN. Choose apps from trusted sources. Once installed, make sure you have admin rights, an active internet connection, and basic firewall allowances. These steps remove avoidable errors and make the next actions faster. Now open the client and proceed to configuration. Now configure the connection. Choose the protocol that balances speed and security, for example WireGuard for speed or OpenVPN for compatibility. Enter the server address, port, and your chosen authentication, import. OFBAN or WireGuard config if the provider gave one. Adjust encryption or cipher settings only if you understand the trade-offs. Then enable safety features like the kill switch and DNS leak protection so traffic never leaks. Once done, save the profile and prepare to connect and test. Press connect and watch the client establish a session. You should see a connected status and your public IP should change to the VPNs. Verify functionality by checking an IP lookup, resolving DNS, and accessing resources you expect to reach. If the connection fails, try simple fixes. Restart the client, switch to another server, re-enter credentials, or toggle protocol. If problems persist, inspect firewall or router logs and temporarily disable conflicting network tools.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.